How would you feel if you could make some extra Christmas money online before the week is over? Now, if you're tired of feeling stressed, broke, or behind on gifts, this video is going to change that fast. By the end of this video, you'll know some legit simple ways to bring in some extra money quickly, so make sure you watch from start to finish. Now, before we dive in, I've got some free guides to help you start your online business and create new online income streams. You can get instant access to them through the link in the description below. And just very quickly, can I ask one small favour? If you like what I do here, can you please hit the subscribe button? That keeps me energized to bring you more content. Thank you very much. Let's get into it. Let's begin with number one, which is to use quick gig platforms that pay fast. Now, you can start earning some extra Christmas money relatively quickly by using gig platforms that pay within 24 to 48 hours. And this solves the problem of needing cash before your next paycheck. Now, if you struggle with knowing where to begin, I suggest that you start with places like Fiverr, Upwork, TaskRabbit and Freelancer.com, because they let you offer small and simple services that people want. Now, you can just sign up for a free account, create a short profile, and then just add one small service that you can deliver very quickly within 24 hours. This can be anything like editing text, formatting a document, creating social media content, or even creating a simple graphic. You can then just choose available now, so buyers know that you're ready to start working. You can then just message potential buyers using the buyer request or the open gigs section. Now, if you keep your first service under 10 minutes, you can start making money very quickly. Now, here is something else that you can do if you don't know what skill to offer. You can just choose microservices, which are small tasks that buyers constantly search for on these platforms. You can offer things like removing backgrounds using remove.bg app, editing audio with Audacity, or even writing short captions using Google Documents. If you want to start fast, let me walk you through the process. Just pick one skill, create a 2-sentence service description, set a low price to get your first reviews, and just choose a 24-hour delivery time. You can look at some other sellers for some inspiration, but you don't want to copy their listings. If you're stuck deciding what to actually offer, just pick the task that you can complete in the fastest time. I want to share a smart strategy for people who feel invisible on gig sites. You want to target urgent listings. You can find them on Fiverr's buyer requests and Upwork's urgent filter. You can just reply with a short message saying that you're available right now and can deliver within just a few hours. You can also attach a quick sample using free tools like Canva, CapCut, or even Google Sheets, depending on the service that you're offering. If your goal is to make some quick money, you can focus on buyers who want speed over perfection. And let me tell you, these clients often hire the first person who actually responds to them. If you struggle with slow payouts, I recommend using platforms with instant withdrawal options. Now, Fiverr has Fiverr Clear Balance, Upwork has Instant Pay, and TaskRabbit pays within just 1 day depending on your bank. So you can go into your account settings and connect PayPal or your bank before you complete your first gig, so you don't delay any earnings that you make. You can also check other platforms' minimum payouts so you know exactly when you can cash out. This will solve the problem of finishing a job and then waiting days just to access your money. Now, you can increase your earnings by offering rush services so buyers can pay extra for quicker delivery. If you want to set this up, you can go into the pricing section of your gig and add a small fee for 12 hours or 24-hour delivery. You can also set a limit on how many rush jobs you accept each day so you don't actually burn out. If you feel a bit nervous about adding an extra charge, remember that many buyers choose faster delivery even if it costs a bit more. Now, I want you to understand that your speed is valuable. Now, if you want an easier option that doesn't require creative work, you can focus on simple admin gigs. You can do things like file organizing, inbox cleanup, or spreadsheet formatting using Google Workspace, Dropbox, or even Notion. You can ask the client to upload everything into a shared folder so all of your tasks are in one place. So let me give you a simple example. Someone may have 200 photos on their computer that need sorting into different folders, and they'll pay you because they don't want to do it themselves. You solve their problem while earning some quick money. Now, let me help you with one more strategy. You can create a same-day service bundle focused only on small but in-demand tasks. You can just bundle things like caption, one photo edit, one short document fix, or one template. You can offer this kind of bundle for a low price and deliver it under an hour. If you list it on Fiverr.com or post it in Facebook groups for small business owners, you can attract buyers who want fast help before Christmas. If your timing is very good, you can bring in multiple small jobs per day. Let's now move on to number 2, which is to offer short-term holiday services online. Now you can earn fast Christmas income by offering holiday-specific services online, which solves the problem of people not knowing what unique skill they can sell. If you want something simple, you can offer gift message writing, holiday greeting creation, or even caption writing using platforms like Fiverr, Upwork.com, Facebook groups, and even online communities like Reddit. You can create a quick listing saying you'll write 10 cute gift messages or drafts for Christmas cards. If you don't know what to write, you can just look up examples on Pinterest or use AI in ChatGPT to get some ideas. This gives buyers a ready-made solution without them actually doing the work. If you want to offer design services, you can use tools like Canva, Vista Create, Pixlr, and Photopea to make simple holiday graphics. You can make Instagram posts, banners, flyers, and sales announcements for online shops. You can just export designs in PNG format and deliver them in a single folder using Google Drive. If your buyer wants some edits, you can update the design in just a few minutes. This solves the problem of business owners needing quick, seasonal content without hiring a full design team. Here is something else you can do if you like organising. You can offer digital holiday planning services. You can create gift lists, event checklists, or even budget trackers using Google Sheets or Notion templates. You can just set up shared documents so the buyer can see everything updated in real time. If your buyer wants help tracking purchases, you can add columns for price, store, and even delivery date. This service is extremely helpful for busy parents or anyone overwhelmed with holiday tasks. I want to share a popular service that many people don't think about, which is personalised video messages. You can record short, cheerful, festive greetings for parents, couples, co-workers, and even children. You can deliver them using Google Drive or directly inside Fiverr.com. You don't need any fancy equipment, just your smartphone, some good lighting, and a friendly voice. Now, if you struggle with performance anxiety, you can just script the message in advance as well. Many buyers really love the personal touch and buy several messages at once. If you want more clients, I suggest that you promote your services in community groups. You can just search Facebook groups like Small Business Support, Holiday Deals, or even Local Entrepreneurs. You can post a simple message offering quick services and drop a sample. If you're worried about being spammy, you can just post only in groups that allow service offers. This solves the problem of not having an audience because the buyers are already gathered in these places. If you want to stand out, you can offer limited time holiday bundles. You can combine free small services such as a banner, one caption set, and one card design into a single holiday package. You can set the delivery time to 24 hours to appeal to last minute shoppers. If you're stuck on what to include, just choose tasks that you can complete quickly and consistently. Buyers love bundles because it feels like they're getting more value in one purchase. Now let me tell you a trick for fast deliveries. You want to create reusable templates. You can build simple designs or message formats that you can adjust slightly for each buyer. This saves time and actually helps you stay more consistent. You can store templates in Canva folders or Google Drive so everything is ready to use. If you want to earn more money, you can also sell templates directly on Etsy, Gumroad, or even payhip.com. This gives you multiple ways to make holiday money very quickly. Let's now move on to number 3, which is to do digital tasks with instant payout options. You can earn some extra Christmas money very quickly by completing digital tasks that pay instantly, which solves the problem of not wanting fixed schedules or complicated work. You can use platforms like User Testing, Try My UI, Prolific, Rapid Workers, and ClickWorker. You can just sign up, verify your email, and start accepting tasks straight away. You can just pick tasks like website testing, playing games and apps, short surveys, and simple categorization. If you're looking for some fast results, then choose tasks that say instant payout or same day processing. If you struggle with long tasks, here is something else you can do. Just focus on micro tasks. You can use Toloka, Micro Workers, Amazon Mechanical Turk and remote tasks for simple image labeling, sorting or short decision tasks. You can complete each task in under 1 to 2 minutes and payouts can add up very quickly. You can cash out using PayPal, Payoneer or a bank transfer depending on the platform. If you want consistent income, then you can aim for 20 to 30 micro tasks per session. I want to help you understand that some of these platforms reward consistency. You can earn bonus points on ClickWorker or Prolific for completing multiple tasks in a row. You can also get invited to higher paying tasks if you maintain good accuracy as well. You can improve accuracy by reading instructions slowly before actually accepting the task. This solves the problem of wasting time on tasks that don't count because of small mistakes. If you're stuck waiting for payouts, I recommend setting up your payment methods in advance before you do the tasks. You can connect your PayPal or bank account in the settings menu of each platform. You can verify your identity early so your money is not delayed. You can also check the minimum withdrawal limits. Some of these platforms actually let you cash out with as little as $1. This ensures that every little bit that you earn is accessible very quickly. Here is something else you can do if you shop online. You can use cashback tools for instant rewards. You can install Rakuten, Honey, Capital One Shopping or even Top Cashback. You can activate cashback before shopping and just see your earnings appear in your dashboard. If you plan to buy some Christmas gifts anyway, this gives you extra money back without doing any extra work. You can stack cashback with discount codes to save even more as well. If you want to earn while using your mobile phone, you can use apps like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, Future Points and Missed Play. You can complete surveys, you can watch short videos or test mobile games and apps. You can then redeem points for cash or even gift cards. If your time is a bit limited, just choose high value actions like featured offers instead of watching videos. This will help you to earn money quicker without feeling like you're wasting your time. Now let me walk you through a way to get organized. You want to track your earnings from each app using Google Sheets or your phone notes. You can just list the app name, the payout method and the amount earned. You can also track how long tasks take so you know which platforms are most worth your time. If your goal is Christmas money very quickly, this method helps you focus only on the apps that give you the biggest return for your investment and your effort. Let's now move on to number 4, which is to earn fast money by offering simple digital skills and services that people need right now. You can make some fast Christmas money by offering small digital skills and services that people search for every single day, and this solves the problem of not knowing what service to actually sell. If you struggle with confidence, I want you to understand that simple skills like resizing images, converting files, fixing typos, or even just organizing documents are all services that people happily pay for. You can offer these on Fiverr.com, Upwork, and even in Facebook groups and LinkedIn groups as well. You can just create a small listing that says exactly what you will fix and how fast you will deliver it. You can get your first client within just a few hours because these tasks are always in demand. Here is something else you can do if you want easy jobs. You can offer file conversion services. You can turn Word documents into PDFs, convert videos into MP4, or just compress large files using free tools like Cloud Convert, I Love PDF, or even Tiny PNG. You can tell buyers that you'll clean up their formatting and return everything neatly organized. You can just ask them to upload the files through Google Drive or even Dropbox so you have everything you need in one place. If you're stuck choosing what to actually offer, you want to start with the simplest format conversions that you know. I want to share a helpful option for anyone good at quick writing. You can offer micro editing services. You can fix grammar, you can rewrite short paragraphs, you can even clean up descriptions using Grammarly, Google Documents and Hemingway Editor. You can charge for per paragraph or per 100 words of editing. You can just deliver the corrected version and a clean version so the client can see exactly what you have improved. This solves the problem of clients needing better writing fast without actually hiring a full editor. If you want another easy service, you can create digital checklists and planners for people who are very overwhelmed during the festive season. You can use Canva, Notion or even Google Sheets to make simple planning tools like gift trackers, budget sheets, meal planners or even travel lists. You can personalize the design with their colors or their fonts, and you can just deliver the files as a printable PDF. Now, if you want more clients, you can also sell these planners on Etsy or Gumroad or Payhip for some instant downloads. Now, let me tell you a powerful trick. If you struggle with finding your first buyers, offer same-day fixes. You can say you'll correct one document, clean one spreadsheet, or organize one small folder within just 2 hours. You can set a low starting price to attract quick orders. You can use tools like WeTransfer for fast file sharing as well. And then you can deliver everything neatly labeled so the buyers think, wow, that was fast and easy. This helps you build quick credibility and some repeat customers. I suggest that you also offer simple photo enhancements because these services are always needed. You can brighten photos, remove backgrounds, fix small imperfections, or just turn messy photos into clean product images. You can use tools like Snapseed, Canva, Remove.bg, or even Photopea to do this. You can just ask the clients to upload images into a shared folder and just return the edited versions as PNG or a JPEG or JPG. This solves the problem of small businesses needing some last minute visuals for their holiday marketing. Now, if you're stuck and you don't know how to stand out, you can offer some batch services as well. You can just tell clients you'll fix, say, 10 to 20 images, edit 5 short paragraphs, or even convert 20 files in one single order. You can just charge slightly more while working more efficiently. You can complete everything in one session and deliver it all in a labeled folder. This helps buyers feel like they're getting much more value, and it helps you earn more in less time. You can also help people clean up their digital clutter, which is something many business owners desperately need help with in December. You can organize folders, you can rename files, or even sort receipts, or just clean up shared drives. You can do this using Google Drive, Dropbox, or even OneDrive. You can just ask clients to give you view-only access at first, and then just editing access when they're comfortable working with you. You can also send them a before and an after screenshot so they can see the transformation that you have provided. This creates trust and leads to some quick repeat work. Now let me walk you through one more helpful option. You can offer social media micro support. So you can write free captions, you can fix hashtags, you can format Instagram bios, or just create one simple Canva post. You can deliver everything in a small folder with 2 or 3 variations for each one. And you can offer holiday caption packs as well that small businesses can use straight away. You can post this service on Facebook business groups or even on Fiverr.com. This solves the problem of businesses scrambling for last minute content, and you get fast, easy holiday money. Wow, that's it for this one. Now, if you're serious about building your online business and creating new income streams online, take the next step now. Click the link below in the description or in the comments, where you can find some free training resources to help you get started right away. These free step-by-step resources are designed to guide you through launching a successful online business and help you to generate online income streams. So don't wait, take action today. Click the link below and start your journey right now. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It really does energize and motivate me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And if you want to connect on social, you can find me on LinkedIn and Instagram. The links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel, and have a wonderful day.